For today's assignment, you'll read the article called How Grandma Did Her Homework. Then you'll answer some questions afterwards. So let's do part of this together. How Grandma Did Her Homework by Rachel Kreisman. My grandma picks me up after school. She takes care of me while my parents are at work. Grandma is always interested in my homework. Today, I had to use the computer to do my homework. First, I went on the internet. Notice the word first. First, I went on the internet to find out about how bears live in the winter. Then, I typed up a report. Grandma said, "Such progress." I asked her what she had meant. She told me about how computers have changed everything. Computers have even changed the way kids do homework, she said. Grandma told me that when she was a little girl, people did not have computers at home. Well, how did you look up information? I asked Grandma. She told me that she went to the library and read books about the information she needed to learn. If she needed help with homework, she asked her mother. Her mom was home every day. When my parents come home, I will be excited to tell them what Grandma said. Things sure have changed since Grandma was a girl. Let's take a look at the questions. The character telling this story is the narrator. Why does the narrator have to use a computer? A, to look up something for Grandma. B, to do her homework. Or C, to send a message to his or her parents. At the beginning, it said today I had to use the computer to do my homework. Question 2. Who is one of the main characters in this story? A narrator's mom? That doesn't sound right. I don't think she was really in this story. Grandma's mom? No, that would have been the girl's great-grandma. I think Grandma is the main character, especially since her name is in the title. 3. Things sure have changed since Grandma was a girl. What evidence in the story supports this statement? A, Grandma takes care of the narrator after school because the narrator's parents are at work. That's true, but does that describe how things have changed since Grandma was a girl? B, the narrator uses a computer to look up information, but Grandma used books and the library. Grandma says, "Such progress." Then the narrator asks Grandma what she means. So, what evidence in the story supports this statement? Things sure have changed since Grandma was a girl. I think B, the narrator uses a computer to look up information, but Grandma used books in the library, gives evidence that things sure have changed since she was a girl. I'll read the next few questions aloud, then you can finish answering them on your own. What is the similarity between the narrator and Grandma as a girl? And the narrator is whoever's telling the story, and the little girl is the one who's telling the story. 5, what is the theme of this story? Theme means what is the overall idea, or maybe something you should learn, maybe something the author wants you to learn from the story. A, people should spend more time with books and less time with computers. B, things change over time. Or C, looking up information can be very interesting. Okay, there's a second page of questions. You got this. Read this paragraph from the story. When my parents come home, I will be excited to tell them what Grandma said. Things sure have changed since Grandma was a girl! Exclamation point. Why might the author have used an exclamation point? You tell me. Number 7, Grandma did not have a computer. Blank. She used the library and books to look up information. 8, according to Grandma, what has changed the way kids do homework? 9, use information from the story. Using information from the story, explain how computers have changed the way kids do homework. Number 10, Grandma says that computers have changed everything. Is Grandma right? Support your answer with evidence from the story. That means you tell yes or no, is she right? Then come back up here and tell us how you know.